so as you guys know, Olivia's favorite color is purple. So we're gonna go ahead and just do this the best of my abilities. The shoe is obviously white. It would have been more ideal if I could find a shoe that was already purple, but I couldn't find one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this my way. So what I'm gonna do is just go around the entire shoe and base coat the shoe itself purple. Please ignore the fact that they're mowing outside right now. Thank you, Michael, for doing that as I'm doing a video. But anyway, right by the window. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just paint this whole thing and do this in a sped up version for you guys. So you don't have to sit here and watch me do this for probably the next 30 minutes. So y'all get to sit and watch this go fast. So let's get to it. All right, so now that this is painted, we're gonna let this dry. I'm gonna touch up a few places, but I'm gonna let this fully dry and then we will come back and do the next part, which is of course adding the glitter to the shoes. So we'll be back again very soon. Okay, so the shoes are here, they're dried. So now we're gonna do the next part, which is of course the best part because it involves glitter. So I'm gonna be using Quasar on these, and that's just because this one has that cool purplish, like dark blue color shift to it. And I love it. And also my daughter's favorite thing again is space, as everybody knows. So I have Mod Podge. This is the gloss Mod Podge that I'm going to be using. And for this, of course, I had no idea. This is a brand new bottle. Nothing better in the world than a brand new bottle of Mod Podge. Okay, so I always pour my Mod Podge into a cup, but for this one especially you have to do that because the best way I've learned to do glitter shoes is you mix the glitter into the Mod Podge and then put it on the shoe. And the reason for that is because then you don't have to worry about any of the glitter coming off the shoes. At least it's less likely. And you won't end up with a huge mess afterwards. So, I need a popsicle stick. Got my glue. I don't know how much glue that is. Probably about 20 milliliters. Anyways, and a lot of glitter. I'm gonna mix this stuff up. And that's why I like Mod Podge, because it dries clear. So I want super duper sparkle. And I'm doing 2 shoes, so I need lots of Mod Podge and lots of glitter. All right, there you go. So I'm gonna have that now. Woohoo! All right, let's do this. Literally gonna go around and paint. Just so you guys know, I did not paint this part here. This is a stretchy piece of fabric, and I didn't want it to crack or anything like that, so I just left it white. So we're gonna just go ahead and make a mess. So I'm gonna do this, of course, at a fast pace, so y'all can just watch the best parts, which is the applying of the glitter glue, so y'all can enjoy. All right, so this is drying. You can already start to see how much they're gonna sparkle. I'm gonna go back over this and do a second coat of the Mod Podge glue and go ahead and get that done now. All right. All right, so we're gonna let this dry now completely. And once it's all finished and dry, I will come back and show you guys what they look like. Okay guys, it's the next day and look at how cute these turned out. And this is what's awesome about this is when you make the glitter shoes this way, the glitter does not come off the shoes, which is great for those of you who you want to wear them someplace and you don't want glitter to get everywhere. And for people like me, of course, these are not my shoes, but I tend to cross my feet when I sit, and this way they don't come off, which is awesome. So these are for my daughter. She has huge feet. I have huge feet, which is why we did her shoes and not mine, because it would take like the whole view to see this. But anyways, so these are done. These are glitter shoes. I will post a picture, of course, with Olivia with these on because they're so stinking cute. But come on, y'all. How easy is that? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I love that this is for subscribers only because I have never made a video on glittered shoes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we will do another video again for you guys very soon.